Đây là TKaraoke running on Android TV. Cái TV này là Sony XBR 65X 850D. 850D là đời 2016 hoặc là 750D cũng 2016. 750C hoặc là 850C là 2015. So phải chạy Android 5.1 trở lên, 5.0 trở lên. So it's gonna need, Sony 2015, 2016 and beyond. Nhưng mà không có TV Android thì có thể dùng Android box. Thấy Amazon nó bán có 35 đậu. So I'm gonna order and test it out. Spec looks good. It can play 4K. So basically, this is my second demo. Last night I did the other demo, and it seems a lot of functions were missing, and I feel like this app is much more mature now. So let's do a second demo. Basically, khi mình load cái app lên á thì nó như vậy. Cái này là run directly on the TV. Okay. Your environment, you might run it on an Android box, and then you feed a output into the TV via HDMI or whatever. I'm using the Sony remote here, just the arrow key for now. Okay, just the up, down, left, right. Okay, so cái này là I'm clicking on the right arrow. Okay, then clicking down arrow. So these supposed to be different categories. Like cái này là recent song, new song. They happen to be the same right now because the song server hasn't implemented this part yet. But let's say all song. You can see how this is ordered by song number. The number in parentheses is actually the song number. Okay, so you just go through the one that you want and hit the play button. Okay, I'll just play this one. Thì khi mà nó play á thì let's see, make sure this thing doesn't. So just using the up, down, left, right arrow key, I'm gonna hit the action button key in the middle. This bring up the navi bar. Okay, and if you don't do anything for 3 seconds, it will hide itself. Okay, this one is to replay. This one is to skip back, X amount of seconds, and this one is to pause. So when you pause, the navi bar stay there, so you know that you pause. You hit play again. This one skip up a little bit, and that's obviously to skip the song. The online songbook feature that allow you to queue song it's not here yet. So right now you can only play one song at a time. Then other thing you can do is I hit the auto button on the remote here, just to switch to auto track. So it actually will show the track name if you have it. Say Karaoke Vietnamese right there. Okay, hit another one, switch to the Nyak track. Okay, let me hit the back button, stop the play. Let me find a song with a little bit more auto tracks. What's this? Nếu hai đứa mình 4 track này. Okay. Wow. So let me, it's getting long, so I'm just trying to skip up a little bit. I'm gonna hit the auto button. Okay, switch to the karaoke mode. Hit another one. It switched to the male mode, so for a male singer to sing. And then switch another one, go to female mode. Okay, and then switch another one, there you go to Nyak mode. Okay, okay, so that's all I want to show. Well, let me show you. It's my monitoring screen here. The memory usage is currently consistent at 132 meg. Okay, but ignore the free, the free memory part. Really, a cheap box like a $35 box right nowadays would have about a gig of RAM. So the app's only using 140, 132. Okay, CPU, there's barely anything. It's like user space, like 5% or less, because a lot of work is being done actually in the GPU, which a little bit difficult to monitor over wireless here, so I disabled it. Yeah, so a lot of work is being delegated to the GPU. So see, if I start, let me stop here, let me start scrolling. You can see the spike in CPU usage. So when you scroll, it's actually go get the song data and all that, so you can get a little spike. Memory can go up a little bit. Actually it dropped. It's 127 now. But otherwise, when you play it, very little. So I want to talk about the search function real quick. So you notice there's a search button up here. So I go up arrow and hit, and it automatically gonna enter the microphone mode, so you can, talk to it and it'll search. Whoa! So it's trying to dictate what I just said. Let me try again. So I hit button. Hello. Okay, so that's how, so I just say hello and it typed in hello, and obviously it found these songs that match in hello. From here you can hit the middle button, it will play. So just, from the search result you can play. Alright, let me stop for a second. You can go up here, and unfortunately Vietnamese song you can't really say because it's, Android doesn't understand Vietnamese, it only understands English. So let me just search for, say, a quick search. Vì tôi đưa em sang sông. Okay, hit the search button, and boom. These are the songs matching 30 em sang sông. Okay, hit play. So far I've only been using on the 4 button here and also the auto switch button. Let me stop this. Another thing you can do is, so you can go up there and hit the search button with the action key, or you can just, usually on the remote it has this little microphone here, you can just hit it. Doesn't matter where you are. I'm actually at the main screen and hit it. Hello there. Actually, there's nothing. Doesn't find anything. I don't have any hello there song, but that's how you can activate the search, either through that button or just the microphone icon or button on the remote. Okay, that's it for now. Damn, it's getting a little long. I'll probably push to the store in the beta site pretty soon, and let you guys test it out.